The next time your fabric or sewing project requires a fastener, don't mess with buttons, snaps, or zippers. Use the trusted original, Velcro brand sew-on fasteners. They are simple and easy-to-use closures for all types of fabric applications: costumes, everyday wear, home decorations, and more. Velcro sew-on fasteners are ideal for any project where two pieces of fabric connect. Hand or machine stitch the fasteners and you have a durable and reusable closure that's machine washable or dry clean ready. Sew-on coins, squares, and tapes come in a variety of sizes and lengths so you can easily customize your creations. When you need to clasp it, close it, and attach it, use Velcro brand sew-on fasteners.